Welcome to my channel. In this video I have for you a recipe for a nourishing and firming face and body cream based on aloe vera gel. Cream is extremely easy to make because you don't have to dissolve emulsifiers in a water bath. It's enough to mix all added ingredients together. The cream is light, has a silky, smooth consistency, spreads easily and is quickly absorbed. Suitable for all skin types, especially those that need good moisturizing. The cream also has a firming anti-wrinkle effect. It prevents the formation of blackheads and acne. To make the cream, I weighed 61 grams of good quality aloe vera gel. Then I weighed 2.5 grams of spirulina powder and 10 grams of glycerin. If you don't like the smell of spirulina, use half of the amount, as it can be noticeable. I combine the ingredients. I add 3 grams of maple syrup for extra moisturizing properties. You can also use agave syrup, honey, or sugar. I mix the ingredients together and weigh 10 grams of olive oil and 12 grams of safflower oil. I also add 1 gram of vitamin E, then combine the ingredients with a mixer. Then I add 5 drops of lavender essential oil and 2 drops of preservative. The aloe vera gel already contains a preservative, so I added only a small amount. I transfer the cream to a clean and disinfected container. The cream can be stored at room temperature and is best to use within a month. Let me know if you like this recipe based on ready-made aloe vera gel. If you will make it, please let me know in the comment section how the cream works for your skin. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye!